Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is a Treasury note? A Treasury note, or T-note, is a medium-term debt security issued electronically by the U.S. government. When you buy a T-note, you lend money to the U.S. government for a specific amount of time, between 2 and 10 years. During this time, the government pays fixed interest or coupon every 6 months, making it a perfect investment for anyone looking for regular income. How do Treasury notes work? T-notes can be bought directly from treasurydirect.gov during an auction, through your existing bank account or brokerage account, or from the secondary market. In Treasury Direct auctions, you can buy T-notes through a competitive bid, where you decide your desired yield, or a non-competitive bid, where you accept the market yield. You can also purchase a collection of T-notes through mutual funds or ETFs if you want easy diversification of your portfolio. T-notes need a minimum investment of $100 and can be bought in increments of $100. Each note has a face value or par value, usually $1,000, and pays a fixed interest every 6 months until maturity. The interest from T-notes is exempt from state and local income taxes, although you still have to pay federal income tax. At maturity, you will get back the original face value. If you decide to sell it before maturity, you can do so in the secondary market, but the price you get depends on current interest rates, inflation, and changes in supply and demand. Let's say you buy a 5-year T-note with a face value of $1,000 and 3% interest. You'll receive $15 of interest every 6 months, that's $30 per year, for the next 5 years. And at maturity, you will get your $1,000 investment back. Why are T-notes important? The yield on T-notes, especially the 10-year T-note, serves as a benchmark for other interest rates like mortgages, corporate bonds, and savings accounts. When T-note yields rise or fall, it often has a ripple effect across the financial markets. Should I invest in Treasury notes? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.